Mobile automation hasn't always been simple. Teams often struggle with complex capability setup, device configurations, framework dependencies, and constant script maintenance. All of this slows down test creation and makes automation harder to scale. And that's exactly the problem we set out to solve. Meet the vStellar Mobile Visual Editor, a smarter, more intuitive way to build mobile automation. Just configure your environment, create your test visually, and execute your automation, all within one streamlined workflow. The Mobile Visual Editor supports both iOS and Android applications across real devices, simulators, and emulators. It has built-in configuration with industry-standard environments like Android Studio, Appium, and Xcode, so your team can leverage the existing mobile ecosystem while simplifying how automation tests are created. Switching between platforms becomes effortless, device configuration becomes visual, and building automation flows becomes significantly faster. With the Visual Editor, you get predefined automation actions, built-in assertion support, capability binding, and automatic locator fetching. From configuration to execution, the entire workflow stays inside vStellar. Start by creating a mobile test suite, then open it in the Visual Editor. Instead of writing scripts, you simply build your automation flow using predefined actions. When your test scenario is ready, executing it is simple. Go to the runner, select your test suite, and click Run. vStellar launches the application on the selected device and begins executing your automation steps. Text is entered, buttons are clicked, assertions are validated. Everything runs automatically. The vStellar Mobile Visual Editor isn't just another feature. It's a smarter, faster way to create and execute mobile automation. Now available in vStellar Studio. Faster, simpler, visual. Start building your mobile automation with vStellar today. Happy automating!